Look at me! Oh, I guess we're taking a video. And there's the kite. The sky. I've got it in my hand here. Yeah, Mom's over there with the other one trying to get it up. Jacqueline's not cared about that stuff. She wants to be in the water. Looks like the storm's coming in over there. I'm trying to surf.
Video?
I'm taking a video right now. Say hi. Hey, don't cross my line. Cross my line over there. Up there. That or not. Little boy over there fell. Way over there. Looks okay. And I see what Jacqueline's doing. She's in the water.